ECCPP Auto Parts, here with our updated 2004 through 2014 chrome detailed Ford F-150 pickup truck tow mirror. This tow mirror is designed to be manual folding and features the same 3-pin mounting locations, base plate, and OE connector as your vehicle for easy installation. This tow mirror also has a large power adjusted mirror with power heating and 2 integrated LED turn signals, one on the front and one on the back, along with the puddle light underneath. With an overall length of 13 inches, and the mirror itself at 10 inches by 8 inches, it's designed to increase your range of view, maximizing your road safety and visibility. This tow mirror is designed as a low vibrating, high quality replacement for your stock mirror that updates the look and functionality of your vehicle.